Now let's review a long division problem with a 3-digit number divided by a 1-digit number. It's really the same thing. Divide, multiply, subtract, check, bring down. It's just you may repeat more than once. Let's do 748 divided by 5. So I'm going to start in the hundreds place. 7 divided by 5. Well, 5 can go into 7 one time. That's my divide step. And now I need to multiply. 1 times 5 is 5. I want to know how many of those 700s did I use up. I've multiplied. Next, I'm going to subtract. 7 minus 5 is 2. So I have 2 left over. I have subtracted. I need to check. I want to make sure that my remainder, the difference, the amount left over, is smaller than my divisor of 5. And 2 is less than 5, so I'm good. I am ready to bring down the next amount. I still have 4 tens that I need to divide. So I'm going to bring the 4 tens down. Now, once I bring down, I'm going to repeat because I still have more to divide. So I come back to the beginning and I'm dividing again. Now I'm going to divide 24 divided by 5 because I'm still trying to make my 5 groups. 24 divided by 5 is 4. So now I have divided. Next, I'm going to multiply. How many of those 24 did I use up? 4 times 5 is 20. So I have multiplied. Next, I need to subtract. I want to do 24 minus 20 and figure out how much did I use up. Well, 24 minus 20 is 4. After I subtract, I check. I'm again checking that my difference, my remainder from this part of the division problem, is less than my divisor of 5. 4 is less than 5, so I'm good. I am ready to bring down the next part. So now I'm going to bring down the 8. Because I also have 8 ones that need to be divided. I bring down. I have more division to do. So I'm going to repeat one more time. I'm going to go back to dividing. This time it's 48 divided by 5. And I can divide 48 by 5 9 times. So this time I have divided one more time. Next thing I need to do is I need to multiply. How many of those 48 did I take out? Well, 9 times 5 is 45. So now I have multiplied. The next thing I'm going to do is subtract. I want to know how much is 48 minus 45. How much of that did I use up? Well, 48 minus 45 is 3. So there's my subtract step. Now we need to check. Is my remainder 3? That's the amount left over after I divided the 48, less than 5. It is, so I'm good. I don't have anything else to bring down, so I don't have to do that step, which means I'm not repeating now. This 3 here becomes my remainder. And what I want to do is I'm going to bring my remainder up. My remainder becomes the numerator. My divisor is my denominator. So my final answer of 748 divided by 5 is 149 and 3/5.